Hello everybody, welcome to Silk Zone. This is Divya here. Today I am going to show you the pure tissue linen sari. What I am wearing is peach color, light peach color sari with a golden zari border. With the borders you have the zigzag design in the borders. You can just see these are the pure golden zari borders. On one side of the sari you will get the borders like this. It is so pretty, simple, elegant and precious. It is so good to wear. This is the pallu. You can see in pallu we have almost the golden zari in the pallu with the white color borders in the pallu. And the cost of the sari is going to be 1800 in prepaid and 1900 in cash on delivery. As of now I am wearing the contrast color blouse with the border of it. The blouse is gonna match with the border of the sari. Plain beautiful sari in the light peach color. If you want, we can customize the color whichever you wish to. The color we have given it in the description box. You can just take a screenshot of the video and just send the color which you want in the WhatsApp number which we have uploaded in the description box. This is another beautiful and very pretty colored sari in the same collection of linen tissue sari. The combination of the sari is baby pink color and with a silver zari border, and the entire sari is with full of pearls. As you can see, the pallu is fully decorated with the pearls, with white pearls in the flower design with the middle the white stone. You can just see, look in deep look in the fabric of it. It is so beautifully designed. In the border you have the silver zari, and the blouse of the sari you will gonna get it in a running color blouse. In the blouse borders also you will get the design so that you can make it for the shoulders designers. It is completely designed with a handmade pearl design, like a flower design in the between. You're gonna get it white stone, and the border we have both the side borders, that is silver zari. The cost of the sari you're gonna get it in prepaid of 3800 and in COD you're gonna get it in 4000. It is very beautiful, elegant and simple tissue linen sari. You would love the product once if you purchase it. This sari combination is of grey and silver border, that is silver zari border. Entire sari you're gonna get it in grey color, and the pallu is in this kind. I can tell you we have the ready frinkages in the pallu, and you have silver color zari borders, and entire sari you have embroidery design of the peacock which is in royal blue, pink and silver color. It is very beautiful. The peacock color, the peacock embroidery is on all over the sari where all you gonna drap it. And the cost of the sari is 1900 rupees on prepaid and 2000 rupees in COD. In the blouse you're gonna get it in a contrast as well as the running blouse. If you wish to customize the color, we will surely customize the color of your wish. The color combination of the sari is pink and golden border. In the both the side of the sari you're gonna get the borders in golden color, and this is the pallu which I'm showing it to you. You're gonna get it golden zari borders in the pallu. On the entire sari you will get the embroidery design just like flowers and the leaves which is in the color of petals in red and orange, and the flowers and small leaves like a bud you will get it in a green and white color. The entire sari you will have the embroidery thread embroidery design of this kind, and the blouse we will customize any contrast color. As of now I am showing it golden zari border with orange color combination blouse. It's very pretty, beautiful and gorgeous and simple and elegant. You can drape the saris in just 5 to 10 minutes. In pallu we have the ready frinkages for you. It will be very stylish if you drape the sari in complete 5 pleats. And the sari of cost of the sari is the cost of the sari is 1900 in prepaid, and in COD you will get it in 2000. This color sari is of the combination of light yellow with the silver zari borders. In both the side of the corners of the sari you will get the borders of silver zari. I am showing you the border which is in silver zari, and this is the pallu of the sari which you will get the complete silver zari in the pallu with the yellow color combination and silver frinkages. On entire sari you will have the design of the birds and the branches, the colors of the embroidery design of birds. You can see it in deep, have a look at it, and you will have the blouse of running color, and we can customize any colors if you wish to take it. The cost of the saree is 1900 in prepaid, and cash on delivery you will get it in 2000. If you want any other contrast color blouse, you will have 100 rupees extra on it for the different color contrast blouse. It's very beautiful, elegant and simple to wear. Just 5 to 10 minutes you can drape the saree. Very beautiful. It is almost, it gives you something like a double shade colored saree as you're seeing it. It's silver and yellow, gold and zari mixed borders. This is other pretty colored saree in tissue linen product. This is the combination of orange and silver zari. In both the side of the corners of the saree, you will get the silver zari border. As I am showing it, this is the silver zari border. On an entire saree, you will get the embroidery design of the flowers and leaves just like this. The flowers and leaves are in orange, green, white and red color. In the pallu, you will have the almost half silver zari borders, and for the beautiful design thing, if you drape, you will get the free vinkages in the saree of the pallu. The cost of the saree is 1900 in prepaid and 2000 in COD. The blouse will be in contrast if you wish, and as if now we have the contrast blouse in the saree. Tissue linen saree of the colored combination in light pink and the border of silver zari and with the dark pink. The saree is in silver zari border in both the corner of the saree, and the design on entire saree you will have just like this, the birds and the branches sitting on it. The color of the birds with the embroidery is green, royal blue and the black and like methi color. And in the pallu you will get the silver zari border with the free frinkages. It is gonna give you the beautiful style for the saree. Once if you drape, you will feel the product and you will really love the product of the saree. And the color of the blouse will be in contrast if you wish. As of now, it is in the same running color. The color of the saree on entire body will be on light pink, and the pallu which is of dark pink. And the cost of the saree is 1900 on prepaid and 2000 on COD. The color combination of this linen tissue saree is yellow with a silver zari border. In both the side of the saree you have silver zari border, and in the pallu you have almost half of the pallu is of silver zari with the design frinkages in the borders. And entire saree you will have the embroidery designs just like this. I will show you in deep. I will tell you the colors of the embroideries, which is in yellow and orange, white, green with pretty buds and flower leaves and all. On entire saree you will have the same design. When you drape it, you will get the beautiful designs with the fleets. And the saree is very simple, elegant and very gorgeous to wear. Very skin friendly, and it is pure product. We can tell there is no compromise in the product. The cost of the saree is 1900 in prepaid. On COD you gonna get it in 2000. And the blouse of the saree is in contrast. As of now, I am wearing the running color of the blouse. This is another pretty beautiful color in the tissue linen saree. The color combination of the saree is yellow and orange mixed color, with the pallu is of red and silver zari border. In both the side of the saree you have silver zari borders, and the entire saree you will get the embroidery designs of like strawberry kind fruits and leaves kind of, which is in green, red and peach color. On the entire saree you will have the same design as I have draped it to show you how the body, the draped saree is going to show. And the blouse is in contrast color. If you want to customize any color for the blouse, we will surely customize the color for you. It is very gorgeous to wear. You can feel the fabric. I am feeling very soft and very skin friendly too. And the cost of the saree is 1900 in prepaid and 2000 in cash on delivery. The color combination of this saree is light violet color with a silver zari border in both the corners of the saree. As you are seeing it, the design in one side, that is one corner of the saree, you will get completely flowers like this, which is embroidery design, which is in yellow, green and red color. And the pallu you will get it in a little dark violet color with a silver zari border with the stylish frinkages. You can just have a deep look into the design on the saree, which is of flower, leaves and birds. And the blouse for this saree you will get it in a little dark color, that is which is of the same like pallu colored saree. If you want any other colors to be customized, surely we will do. The cost of the saree is 1900 in prepaid and 2000 in COD. The very pretty collection saree mostly which are used nowadays, which is in a trend for the wedding muhurtam, which is the color of golden color saree with the golden zari borders. On the pallu you have the golden zari borders, as you can see it, which is plain. We have almost all the colors in this saree. We can customize any colors for you, and the blouse is of running color and we can customize the color for it. The cost of the saree in prepaid, which is 1200, which is most preciously affordable, and you can, and in COD you will get it in 1300. Combination of the saree is silver zari borders on both the side, and the entire saree of the body part is in baby color. In the pallu you have silver zaris in the borders as of. And now the entire saree design will be in this embroidery thing. You can have a deep look into that, which is of peacock, which is in green and yellow, silver and white color embroidery design. In all over the saree you will have the design just like it. And the blouse, we will get the contrast blouse. As of now I am wearing the yellow color contrast blouse. If you want any other customized color, we will surely customize the color of your choice. The cost of the saree in prepaid we have 1900, and in COD we have 2000 rupees. Very friendly, skin friendly product and elegant and simple to wear. You would love the collections. Tissue linen saree with the colored combination of yellow, silver border and the green color and purple. The design on this is a print of chilies, and with the leaves of green and purple. You can have a deep look into it. This is the silver zari border, which we have it in the both the side of the sari, and the blouse will be of the contrast of anything which you would wish to. We will customize the color of the blouse if you wish. And the entire saree you will have the print of the same, this chilies with green, rama green and the light green and the purple color. The cost of the saree is 1400 in prepaid and the 1500 in COD. Combination of this saree is baby pink with the golden zari borders on both the side of the color combination of this saree is baby pink with the silver zari border. On both the side of the saree you have silver zari border. In the pallu also you have silver zari border with a pink combination. On entire saree you have the design of the maroon color, like a girl dancing, like a classical girl dancing. On entire saree you have the design of this very stylish and something unique design. You will get it. And the blouse for this we have as of now the running blouse. If you want to customize the color or any other customization colors of the saree with the contrast, we will surely have the customized color which you would wish to have. And the cost of the saree is 1400 in prepaid and 1500 in COD. Light color violet color saree. In the pallu you have bit dark color compared to the body draping saree. This is the pallu is of little dark violet color, and the complete body saree is of light violet color with a silver zari border on both the side of the saree. And entire saree where all you gonna drape, you will get the flower design just like this. You can just have a deep look at the design of the saree, which is the embroidery design in a grey color and the red color. On entire saree you will just get the design just like this. Tissue linen saree, which is very skin friendly, beautiful and gorgeous to wear. Within 5 to 7 minutes you can just drape it just like this. It is very lightweight and very simple and skin friendly. I'm just loving the product. And the cost of the product, which is in prepaid 14,400. Color combination of this tissue linen saree is a dark orange color with the golden zari border in both the corners of the saree. And in the pallu you will get golden zari borders with the golden frinkages. And on entire saree you will have the embroidery designs of this bird. It is looking like a peacock almost, which is embroidery color, which is in a green and silver and golden. On the entire saree you will get the same design, and the blouse of this you will get the same running blouse for this saree. The cost of the saree is 1900 in prepaid and 2000 in COD. Thank you.